Hi traders, it's Edwin here from TradeView and welcome to episode 145 of Trading Talk. In this week's episode, we show you how to use our patent pending tool, Xscope. Xscope allows traders to build what they see on the charts instantly. This is a great tool that you'll only find inside our platform, TradeViewX. Watch the full video to see Xscope in action and how you can use it in your trading. If you've been following our International Trading Championship sponsored by Go Markets, you'll know that the first sprint ended yesterday. Stay tuned to see the winners announced in our weekly market brief, which comes out every Monday. There's still 2 sprints and the marathon to go, so enter now for your chance to win the major prize of a $10,000 Go Markets trading account, along with tickets to our Algo Trading Conference with flights and accommodation included. Speaking of which, we've just announced the models our speakers will be presenting at the conference, so go to algotradingconference.com to see what they are. You can also watch a video there of last year's conference to give you a taste of what you can expect when you attend. I hope you enjoyed this week's video and stay tuned for more Xscope videos to come. We're going to get one of our traders, Nick, who has over 20 years trading experience, to be doing them, and he's going to be building a lot of different chart patterns that you can use in your own trading. Until next week, I hope you enjoyed the video and all the best with your trading.